Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Binance to PayPal. Once you're in, click on the top left corner icon. Click on P2P. Since I don't have the crypto option on my PayPal, the best way we could do is to sell our crypto using P2P. Click Sell. Once you're here, just choose the trader that you want to sell your crypto. Make sure that your bank account is linked to your PayPal account. So in that way, you will transfer your funds from bank transfer to your PayPal. So I'll choose this one. Just fill this up and follow all the instructions. Once you follow it, just swipe to place order. Once you do that, it will transfer to your bank account that is linked to your PayPal. So that's the easiest way you could do to send money from Binance to PayPal. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, just like and subscribe and share for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.